There we have it. That's our maple ginger chicken bowl with yum yum sauce. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making a sticky maple ginger chicken bowl, and honestly it tastes way better than a takeout. It's done in about 20 minutes and a glaze that goes glossy and thick in seconds, and wait till you see the yum yum drizzle which goes over the top. It's spicy, tangy, creamy. It's dangerous, come on. Okay, we're going to put the yum yum sauce together first. I've got some mayonnaise, I nearly called it ketchup. In there, we want about 3 tablespoons of mayo. Use whatever mayo you've got, it doesn't matter. This is a Japanese Kewpie. We've got a little bit of ketchup, and we only want a little bit. We want about a teaspoon in there. Maple syrup, want about a teaspoon in there. A little bit of rice vinegar, a little bit of paprika. Now we're going to give that a mix. Now we want a drizzle, so we've got a little bit of water on standby, and we might have to add a little bit of water. We don't want a thick sauce on this, it has to be a drizzle. That's drizzly enough, to be honest. That'll drizzle over, we don't need to water that down. Stick that in the fridge. Okay, we want to make a quick glaze. Want a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce in there. A couple of tablespoons maple syrup. Some rice vinegar. As you can see, this is sort of like a sweet and sour sauce. Some chili flakes. Now we want some grated ginger and a little bit of grated garlic. We want about a tablespoon of grated ginger, so we're just going to do that straight in there, look. Quick little swap out for a different grater. A little bit of garlic in there. Not too close to garlic, but you know, if your garlic's massive like this, you might just get away with one actually. So corn flour, corn starch. You can use potato starch for this too. We're just going to tip in a little bit of water. I'm going to mix it into a slurry. I'm going to chuck it in our sauce. Okay, there's our sauce, there's our slurry in there. Now we're doing it all like this. We chuck it all in the pan at the same time. But you know, you could actually chuck the glaze in and then chuck the cornstarch in on the top. It doesn't matter. It just depends how you want to do it. There you go, that's our glaze there, look. Beautiful. Just a tiny bit of glaze. One side. Okay, our veggies for our rice bowl. This is Asia, so we want some sliced cucumber. In there. A little bit of grated carrot for this, in there. A little bit of spring onion. Big as small as you like. Okay, I'm using chicken breast today. I'm just going to have to take the skin off that chicken breast. Chicken breast, we don't want the skin, so get that off there. And then we want to be cubing this chicken breast up. Okay, now we want bite size. So in you go, and we want to cube. Come on. And don't worry if they're not all the same size, it doesn't matter. But we're making a rice bowl, so you just want to cut them up small so you can eat with a spoon or a fork straight off the top of your rice, or with your rice. Okay, grab the pan that you're going to use. Now this comes together so quickly, it's ridiculous. This is definitely on the table within 20 minutes. Rice, cook your own rice, microwave rice, any rice, entirely up to you. Right, you want some oil, any oil will do. This is actually peanut oil, but there you go. That doesn't matter. Okay, flame on, heat it up. Chicken in, brown your chicken. In with your chicken and start cooking. You do not have to season, velvet, anything. They are only little cubes of chicken. We'll stir it over. We want a little bit of golden on here, don't we? Come on. Now obviously, depending how much water your chicken breast, you can use chicken thighs as well actually, any chicken, but depending on how much water your chicken breast has, depends how quick it's going to brown and golden. You can still see there's water coming out of this. However, we don't want to cook it dry, so just a little tinge of colour. You don't need a high flame for this next bit because it's going to thicken like crazy. In there, your sauce. Your glaze for this chicken. Stir through. There you go, it's thickened already. Come on. Decide how far you want to take your glaze. It wants to be sticky, it doesn't want to be really thick. That's good enough. That's flame off. Let's put it together. In there your rice. And give that a little one of those. On there your chicken. And your sticky glaze, cucumber, carrot, spring onion, our yum yum sauce, come on. Through there. There we have it. That's our maple ginger chicken bowl with yum yum sauce. Look at that. Oh, we're in on this one. Come on. Our chicken. Oh, what a fabulous, fabulous glaze on that chicken. Oh, we got a bit of mixture there, look. Yum yum sauce, we got the glaze. Oh, come on. Oh, there's literally no words for this one. It is sensational. That is flavour banging. Oh, maple syrup. You've got the sweetness, you've got the sourness, you've got a little bit of heat from the chili flakes, but nothing really, because I'm using Korean chili flakes and they do not carry heat. They carry that nice smoky flavour. We got paprika in there. It is off the charts. And you've got that ginger under there with the garlic. That is absolutely flipping amazing. You know, and topped off with that yum yum sauce. It's yum yum. Fabulous dish. That is easy, on the table, 20 minutes. A lot of flavour there. There you go, maple ginger chicken rice bowl with a yum yum sauce. Really yum yum. Tell your friends how easy it is to make this, and if you do like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, or we'll catch you in the next video. Oh man, that is amazing.